Welcome, today in front of me REALME C30 and I will show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then let's scroll down to the system section. After that you'll see here developer options section. Tap here once, and if you want to turn off to hide the developer options, you should click only once on the switcher. After that we should click here to restart our device. Now let's wait just I think 1 minute, maybe less than in 1 minute, while our device will restart. Now just let's unlock our phone, open the settings, scroll here down to the system section, and now we can see that the developer options section is gone successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.